If you use Zoho CRM and lately you have been seeing this big pop-up when you log in saying that Zoho will deprecate the activities module in the Zoho CRM, this video is for you. You have been seeing this pop-up coming up as you log into your Zoho CRM saying effective on February 28th, Zoho will deprecate the activities module in the CRM. And it says that overall, it won't be any issue with your data because they will be connected to the other modules, but a few things will disappear and need to be recreated. How it works, I'm going to show you. This is the pop-up, and here's your CRM. You have a few locations where you see this issue. Basically, what they are doing, they're deprecating this activities module, where right now you have all your activities in one place. And from now on, you will be using tasks, meetings, and calls modules here, which right now you can see the data, whatever data you create in activities, it's coming to those modules. You're not going to lose this data. What's going to happen basically, if you go to the home page and you go to the classic view, you can see like this section is my task. These type of widget charts are going to disappear. You're going to need to recreate them using, instead of the activities module, you need to recreate using the task module over here. The same about the meetings that you have here, meetings today. It also will affect the reports, which is related to dashboards and homepage. You have a few reports that comes in Zoho that are going to disappear. And also any report that you have created on your side using the module activities, you will need to recreate them using the other modules. As an example, if you have done a call type report or something similar, using the activity module to bring the data, you will need to create a new one, replicate the report using the calls module. The same about the dashboard. You have these activities dashboard here that comes as a template. If you have created a dashboard that it has all your activities widgets / charts, you will need to recreate them. It is actual work, but it's a next step that Zoho is doing to improve the system and define those new modules. If you have any questions, if you need help to recreate your reports, your dashboards, and bring them to your homepage, it will be a pleasure to help you.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and leave us a comment. You can also subscribe to our channel and click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. If you want to learn more about Zoho or would like help with anything Zoho related, head on over to our website at zcrmhelp.com to connect with us. Thanks for watching.